Hello, this is just a quick tutorial on how to make simple changes to 3DS Fire Emblem ROMs using Paragon Editor. So first of all, you want to download Paragon, go to Releases, go to Assets, and download this thing. Totally not my fifth time re-recording this. I didn't need to say that. Okay, now let's extract this. While this is extracting, let's try dumping ROMFS. I'm gonna be using Fire Emblem Fates for this example. So what is this dumping? It's basically extracting the ROM into a lot of bits and pieces. So you can take a look at the individual files, and the editor wants to use those, so that's why we're doing it. This is gonna take a while, so just wait a bit. Alright, let's try loading Citra. Oh, this finished too. Yeah. So yeah, you can see all the pieces that went into making this game. So I'm gonna make a shortcut to this so it's easier to reference later. I'll just put it here. Now let's open Paragon. Ignore the warning. And let's try creating a new project. For project name, you can name it anything. I'll just name it example, and select your game. Extracted ROMFS directory. This is the thing we just extracted. Select this folder. And for output directory, this is the folder where the editor is gonna make your mod. So I'll just name it my mod. And there we go. If you open this, you'll see a bunch of options here. So an important thing is, if you want to do this on top of an already existing mod, you can just put these mod files into here. And then load Paragon. Or you can just use an empty folder if you're starting from scratch, both are fine. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do here. For example, here's the character list. I decided that Roma is too weak, right? So I want to buff him. I want to give him base 50 health and base 99 strength. And then I'm gonna try giving him I don't know, charm, because he's charming, and I'm gonna give him Aether. Yeah, that sounds good. And then there's a lot of flags here. These character flags are for personal weapons, Ophelia has a personal, Xander has a personal. I want Roma to use Siegfried, so I'll give the Xander flag to him too. You can check these out if you want. Once you're finished, just go to File and click Save. And yeah, this should be updated with your save changes, I meant to say. You can edit skills. You can't actually create custom skills in this editor, but what you can do is change what this proc's based off of, and change the probability. This, so this is skill times 1/2. This is skill times 1/4. As for chapters, Yeah, feel free to mess around with this too. Like, I decided that this guy in particular, I should hold the Rave Lance, so I'm gonna give it to him. Yeah, that seems good. And then if you save this, you'll see it created another file. Well, actually this is, well, it did create another file. There's just a lot of stuff here. Anyway, once you're finished making all your changes, just copy this, and in PC's Citrus case, you can open mod's location, and there's already something here. Create a new folder called ROMFS and put this thing in here, and you're good to go. So yeah, have fun.